girl, Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So I know I've kind of been missing in action, and I kind of owe y'all some kind of explanation. But life been lifing. I am part of the group of workers that was forced to return to the office. It has been crazy. It takes me about an hour to get to work in the morning and about an hour and a half to come home in the evening. So I've been exhausted. So I just kind of took some time to just kind of get adjusted to my new work schedule with me getting up so early and coming in so late. So I just took a little time for that. And I'm ready to come back. So we have our Izzy&Liv brown sugar subscriptions. Let's bring you guys up to speed if you are not aware. So our original Izzy&Liv brown sugar box has been discontinued. No longer coming. We were supposed to get one final box, which I was waiting for so that I can show that last box to you guys. But apparently between the tariff increase, shipping issues, and they received products that they felt like were not worthy of sending out to us and they did not meet their standards, they decided to just refund us our money for the last and final box, which I was kind of a little bummed about because I was looking forward to the final box. So guys, they did offer new subscriptions since they discontinued the brown sugar box. The names of the subscriptions that they offered was, we had the Tea of the Month Club, we had Soul Sister Sock Club, we had Brown Sugar Swag Club, we had the Pajama Jammy Jam Club, we had the Scribe Club, and we had the Glow Girl Club. So out of those subscriptions, I selected 3, which I'm going to unbox for you now. But basically, just to give you even further update, the Izzy&Liv has decided to pause all of the clubs. So the subscriptions that I have to unbox with you here now, I don't know when they're going to restart. They have canceled any upcoming renewals of the clubs. That was supposed to be like every 2 months you get something from these subscriptions, and that has been canceled at this point. So they're taking a pause with all of the shipping issues, the tariffs, and they're kind of wanting to give us a better quality subscription. So they're just taking a moment here to get things straightened out. I can appreciate that. I do like the transparency that they're letting us know that there was issues and that there was problems. So I cannot even begin to imagine being a business owner right now dealing with all of the problems. So what I'm unboxing for you today is going to be it for a while until further notice. So this is our last brown sugar subscription unboxing for a little bit. When they restart, I will come back and give you the content. They did have the Pajama Jammy Club and the Scribe Club and the Glow Girl Club. Those they did take subscriptions for, but they have not sent anything out, and they have refunded everyone their money for those 3 clubs. So for everybody, that kind of brings us up to speed. So without further delay, y'all got all the updates on the brown sugar. So we will wish them the best and hope they can figure everything out and get us back into the groove of the subscriptions. So let's start out with the first one. I have the Sock Club. I got them all together in one bag. That was very unappealing. So they just came like this in a mailer. So they just threw them all together. There was no special fluff of anything. So I kind of missed the, box. So let's go. If I can get in here. Maybe. Alright, so this is the Sock Club, Soul Sister Sock Club. I do like the little baggie. I wish all of the stuff came in a little baggie like this. That was cute. So we got, what is this? 2 pair of socks. 2 pair of socks are in here. And I'm going to take them out of the plastic so you guys can see. And you know what? I love getting the socks from them. I think the socks hold up so well and they're always so unique. Let's take this off of here so I can show you the socks. Oops, I'm dropping a pair. So this is our first socks here, and it has a lovely lady on here and the flowers and her hair and on the socks. And we have bright colors. So that is cool. And the one I dropped, let me grab that one. So this one says Soul Sister, and these are pretty thick socks. Like, these are like nice socks. I would say more so for like when it gets cool, like in the fall and springtime when it's cool, and winter. So these are nice quality socks. So these are the 2 pair of socks that I got for the what did I call this club? The Soul Sister Sock Club. So these are the 2 pairs of socks, and I think this was like $12.99 maybe, if I remember correctly. But I can't find none of the prices because they took everything down since they canceled the club, so I apologize. Then we have the Tea of the Month Club here. So this is the tea, and I always get a size large, guys. So let me show this one to you. And this is a nice feeling shirt too. Nice weight to this shirt. And this is our shirt for the month. And let me see what it looks like because I haven't seen it. Oh, I like that. That is cute. I like that. That is really cute. But these are nice quality shirts. They hold up really well. This is a nice quality one here. So this was for the Tea of the Month Club. And then I also got the Swag Club. So they didn't give us anything. I just got these 2 items here for the swag. So they look like 2 bags to me, but I'm sure that's what they are. So let's see what these bags look like. Oh, and they feel like a fabric-y kind of material. Not exact. Oh, and they're short and long. I was thinking they were folded up. They're actually like short and long. Short and rectangular. Look. So this is one of the bags here, and it has the lady on it with the flowers. You see the flower theme here. And then let's take a look at this other one here. And actually, these are bags. I could probably make this work for work because sometimes I need to put stuff in, but I don't have a lot of stuff that I want to just grab, and I don't necessarily want to take a big bag. And I think this will work. And look, the inside of this one is black. And then you have another lady on here. But yeah, they're just short and long bags. So you could grab something quick and throw in here. A few items for both of these bags here. But yeah, these are our 2 bags that we got for the Swag of the Month. I forgot how much that one was. Nothing. I want to say maybe it was $24.95 or something like that. Maybe. But I don't exactly remember. And I don't think the T-shirt of the month club was over $20 either. So yeah, that's what came. So we have the bags here for the Swag Club. We have our shirt of the month here, the shirt of the month tee. We have our socks. And that is what we have for our final brown sugar unboxing. So I hope everything works out well with brown sugar. I've been with them for years, and I don't like to see this with them. I feel bad for them because I know to be a business owner, it has to be rough right now. These tariffs are like raising everything. It's making it really extremely hard for small businesses to kind of do business. So I hope this is just a brief pause, and I hope I'll be back to share brown sugar with you guys again. So I hope Izzy&Liv can resolve some of the issues, and I can come back and share some more things with you guys. But guys, this is our last unboxing with Izzy&Liv brown sugar box for a while. So I'll come to you with my other stuff. But yeah, shout out to Izzy&Liv. We will miss you. I hope this gets figured out really soon. So guys, if you guys haven't already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post. But until my next video, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.